Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you a content production pipeline that turns a single row in a Google Sheet, a title, a topic, a key message, into a finished avatar video, ready to publish. No scripts to write, no studio time, no editing. Let me show you the full pipeline. Most content teams have more ideas than bandwidth. This pipeline eliminates the bottleneck between idea and finished video. It starts with a row in Google Sheets, a content brief, title, topic, target audience, key message. Make.com picks it up and sends it to GPT-4o, which writes a full script, hook, body, CTA, optimized for the avatar format. ElevenLabs converts the script to speech in the brand voice. HeyGen renders the avatar video with that audio. The finished MP4 lands in Google Drive, linked back to the Sheets row. The before content manager writes a brief, hands it to a video editor, waits 3 days, reviews 2 rounds of revisions, publishes on day 5. The after, fill in the brief. The video is in your Drive folder in under an hour. 1 pipeline, unlimited throughput. Every content idea gets made, not just the ones that make it through the bottleneck. So that's the AI content pipeline in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1altx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.